everyone, welcome back to NIIT. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of deep learning, one of the most powerful components of artificial intelligence. We will explore what deep learning is, how it works, and why it's revolutionizing AI applications today. Starting with what is deep learning? It is a specialized subset of machine learning that's built on the principle of artificial neural networks. What makes it special? Well, while traditional machine learning algorithms need more guidance, deep learning systems can learn and improve on their own by analyzing data through these neural networks. Now here's where it gets interesting. These artificial neural networks are actually inspired by the human brain. Imagine your brain as the world's most sophisticated computer. Inside, you have billions of neurons that communicate with each other by sending electrical signals. When you touch something hot, neurons pass that information along a chain until your brain decides, pull your hand away. In the same way, artificial neural networks have digital neurons arranged in layers that pass information forward until the network makes a decision or prediction. With this, let us discuss and let us break down the structure of a neural network. First is input layer. This is where we feed data into the network, like pixels from an image or words from a text. Next is hidden layers. These are the brain of the operation. Each layer contains nodes or artificial neurons that process information from the previous layer and pass it forward. You can think of each node like a tiny detective looking for specific patterns in the data. And the last one is output layer, where we get our answer, whether it is classifying an image, that's a cat, predicting a number, or generating text. You might wonder, why is it called deep learning? The deep refers to the depth of the network, meaning how many hidden layers it has. Simple problems might need just one or two layers, but complex tasks like image recognition or language understanding might require dozens or even hundreds of layers. It's like the difference between a shallow puddle and the deep ocean. The deeper you go, the more complex patterns you can discover. Now talking about the real-world applications, deep learning excels at handling unstructured data, the messy, the real-world stuff. The traditional algorithm struggles with image classification and recognition, for example, identifying objects in photos, audio processing, that is speech recognition, video analysis, and natural language processing. Now let us discuss the key distinction between deep learning and machine learning. Machine learning is like having a smart assistant who can make decisions but needs specific instructions and structured data. Deep learning, on the other hand, is like having an apprentice who can learn from examples and raw data, figuring out the patterns on their own, but needs lot of training data and computational power. Machine learning might work well with a small Excel spreadsheet of organized data, while deep learning shines when dealing with thousands of images or hours of speech. Deep learning is computationally intensive. It's like trying to run a professional video editing software on a computer. So you need serious hardware like powerful GPUs, graphic processing units, substantial memory, sometimes specialized AI processors as well. So building models take time as they learn to recognize patterns, but the results are worth the wait. Deep learning in generative AI. So modern generative AI or GenAI, including LLMs, large language models, are built using advanced deep learning techniques. These models have evolved from simpler neural networks like feed-forward network, which is the simplest form, good for basic classification, then convolutional neural networks, CNNs, excellent for image processing. Next is recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and long short-term memory LSTM, where early text generation models. Then we have transformer models, which is powering today's most advanced LLMs. Next, auto-encoders and GANs, creating new content based on what they have learned. Now to sum up, deep learning represents a revolutionary approach to AI that mimics how our brains learn. By stacking multiple layers of artificial neurons, these systems can tackle incredibly complex problems that were previously unsolvable by computers. From the photos your phone recognizes to the voice assistants that understands your questions, deep learning is working behind the scenes, making technology more intuitive and powerful than ever before. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Join NIIT's program today and take the first step towards securing your future. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career insights. See you in the next video. Thank you.